Welcome, fellow travelers. Your traveling buddy here, coming to you today from my home site. And I'm standing here in front of my car here. And I realized the other day, I have a headlight out. Headlight went out, and yeah, it's a little difficult to change these light bulbs in these cars. It ain't like it was back in the day, where you just go up underneath the hood, open it up, and change the light bulb. No, you have to go up underneath the fender by your wheel. And I figured I'll show you guys how to do this. So this is my car right here. It's a 2006 HHR. They don't make HHRs anymore. This is where your light is, underneath this plastic piece right here. And this is how you have to change the light bulb. You have to go up underneath the fender here, right there, and you have to pull this piece out to reach up in there to get to the light bulb. Yeah, they don't make it easy for you anymore. But I figured I'd show you guys how to do this. So, anybody you got a car like this, and I guess there's other cars are the same way. This is how you got to change it. Now these are the tools you need right here for that. You got, of course, you got your new bulb. It's H13 for the HHR. Might be different for your vehicle, so make sure you look up your specs of what you're supposed to have. And then you get a flat head screwdriver, and then some ratchets or wrench or anything, you know, because you got to take a bolt off to get into it. Now, like I said, you're gonna need a ratchet right there. See that screw right here, right there. You got to take that screw out so you can pull this open to get into it. There you go. See, screws out. Now, what you got to do, see these little pins right here? That's what you use a screwdriver for. You got to pop those out. Now, there is a tool that you can get, but I don't have one of those tools right now. So you got to pop these out, but be careful. Don't want to snap them. Now, one more tool is probably a good idea to have. It's like some needle nose pliers or something like that. And once you get it started, take the needle nose pliers and kind of pull that out. Sometimes it's a little difficult. See, that's what I'm saying. They don't make it easy on you anymore. Before, I used to just go up underneath the hood, pull the bulb out, put a new one in. No, not anymore. And there she is. See, it took away a minute for me to get out. Turned the camera off because they didn't want to hear me cussing, because I tell you, it's a pain in the butt to get these out. But there is one more I got to take out right here, so I can fold this out to reach up in there and get the damn light bulb. Oh, one more thing I forgot. There's only one other time I've had to do this. Right up underneath here, there's another bolt that you have to take out so you can pull that inner fender wall out. So yeah, I mean, this is HHR. Now you might want to check your car. It might be different, of course. This is the HHR. Alright, got the bolt out, and this is what you got to do. You got to pull this over like this, reach up in there. Now, I've already kind of pulled it out, and then you pull your wire harness out. And this is one of my problem. It's like somehow it broke. Don't know how, but yeah, there's your wire harness. And what you got to do is you got to pull this little pin in here, little thing in here to release it. Said they don't make this too easy, so I figured I'd try to do this and show you guys how to do it. Alright, I got the bulb out right there, and to show you how to get that out, I was able to show it while I was doing it. There's a little button right here you push to release that bulb. Now you see I'm wearing these cloth gloves here. Now when you replace your new bulb, you don't never want to touch the thing here, and how difficult this is, you always end up touching it, you know, because that'll make it fail. So I put on these cloth gloves. Now they always tell you to, I've seen other ones where they tell you to afterwards wipe it off. As I said, when you gotta reach up in there and do that, you might touch it, put the oil on there, and that'll make that light bulb fail. So these gloves, this is a little hint from me. Get some cloth gloves or something like that, you know, and do it like that. Alright, one other thing, I don't know why I didn't think of it. See how I had that wheel turned in? That was the wrong way to do it. This way it makes it a little bit easier to get in, pull that thing out, but still, to get it up in that hole there is a real pain in the rear. And there you go. I got it up in there. It was a little working. It was a pain in the butt. But you see, headlight's working now. You know, they just don't make it easy anymore. Now you just do the reverse to all the things I just showed you. You know, just like I said, they don't make them like they used to. Give me the old style cars any day. I mean, yeah, these cars are nice, a little bit more powerful and everything, but they just, and then everything's playing out of plastic. It's all plastic. It's like, you know, come on, GM, Dan Ford, anybody. I mean, go back to the old school. One more thing I wanted to show you since I'm doing my headlights here, and just a little remedy I learned about just recently. And I figured I'd give it a test out. Now, I told you about the plastic here. You see how foggy that looks? And I've tried to clean that up many times. I've used some stuff that I bought. You know, I bought stuff. Do that. Alright, now that I got the headlight changed, one more thing I wanted to try out. This is a little remedy I've just recently learned about, and I wanted to give it a shot. And I figured I'd put it on this too, you know, because if it works, you guys definitely need to try it. Now, here's my headlight. Okay. Now, see this little lens here? It's like a plastic lens, and it gets all foggy. And I've bought stuff before, and it worked a little bit, but not as good. But this remedy I just recently learned about, it's like a home remedy, WD-40. Now they say you spray it on here, wipe it off, it clears it up big time. So figured I'd give it a shot. So they say what you do is you take a rag like this and spray some WD-40 on the rag like that, and then wipe it on. Now according to the video I saw, holy cow, I'm telling you what, that looks 100% better already. Look at that. I'm not kidding. And just like the guy in the video that I watched, I'm shocked. I mean, you can barely see the little lens part before. I mean, there's some scratches on the thing, but all that fogginess is pretty much gone. Wow. That is incredible. Oh, WD-40. Believe it or not. See, here's my other one. Right here, see? You can see how foggy it looks. This is the one that just changed. It's foggy as can be. Spray a little bit more on there. I mean, look at that. Just look at that. Cleared it right up. Wow. So I saw the video and I was like, hey, I was like, does that really work? Well, I guess it does. Look at that. Cleared it right up. Look at that. So there you go, people. If you ever have foggy headlights, I wouldn't do it on regular lenses like an older vehicle or whatever like that. But if you got these plastic lenses, it's over your headlights. WD-40. That's incredible. Hell, it worked for my headlights. I'm gonna try it with my taillights. Right here, these are my taillights. Look at that. Wow. I mean, that just shines now. That's incredible. You can even see the bulb. Before you couldn't even see the bulb. I can actually see the bulb in there now. That's incredible. Got these little reflectors on my back. Clean them up. Whew. Look at, got some side markers here. I'll do them all. I mean, that's incredible. That's just incredible. So there you go. That's how you change the headlights on the HHR. But unfortunately, I won't be driving this too much longer. I'll show you, I'm about to kind of upgrade. I've been wanting to upgrade a while and I got my taxes. I'll show you what I'll be driving and my adventures in the future. Well, this is what I'll be driving in the future. It's a 2003 GMC Sierra pickup truck. I've been wanting to get a pickup truck for a while, and finally I was able to get one. So, take a tour of this beauty. So there you go. See, here's the inside. It's real nice. The guy kept it up real good. A few other things I got to fix here. See? Back doors open up. Got lots of room in the back here. If I decide to go camping, got a place I can sleep. You know, I can lay back there. That's beautiful. Here's a better view of the inside. See, the guy took real good care of it. No rips in the seats. And for 2003, it's in real good shape. See, there's the back seat. Like I said, if I wanted to, it's real comfortable. I could probably camp back there. And I remember, if you watch my past videos, I've actually slept in my HHR. You know. But yeah, this is, I said, I've been wanting to get a truck for a while, because not just for the adventures, but you know, I'm the type of person that hauls things, you know, stuff. My son just recently moved out of his apartment, and we had to rent a U-Haul trailer. I could fit some stuff in my car, but if I had this truck at the time, we could fit pretty much all his stuff in the back of this truck and haul it, instead of having to rent a U-Haul. Yes, I know it's going to cost a little bit more gas, because it's a truck, but that doesn't frighten me. And so that door over there opens up too, so people can get in there. Everything's all automatic. I mean, you got the instruments on here, turn your radio and stuff on the steering wheel, so you don't have to look away. It's a great truck. Can't wait to get it on the road and start my adventures in this. I hope this helped out a lot of people that didn't know about how to change light bulbs and the headlight lights in the HHR, or as I said, if it's your vehicle, you know, any other type of vehicle, you know, look it up. You know, it'll be different. All vehicles are different, but you know, this is the HHR. If you have an HHR, that's how you change it. It's a pain in the butt, but that's how they got to do it now. You know, and the WD-40 thing, that was incredible. I can't believe that actually worked. So there you go. You know, little D.I.Y. how to unclog your headlights. And I hope you enjoyed seeing my new ride. I love the HHR. It's been a great car. It's going to be a little emotional to see it go, because this was the very last car my dad owned before he passed away, and you know, they drove it around back and forth to Florida, you know, but it was time, trying to get something different that I've been wanting to get. I've been wanting to get a truck for a while, and now I got one. Hopefully, my son says he wants to buy this. Hopefully he can buy it and keep it in the family. But if not, it's been a good car. It still is a good car. I mean, it has some design flaws. I won't lie about that. But it's been a good car for me. Took me on many adventures, and I'm sure you're a loyal follower. You've seen me in adventures in this puppy. She's got me around. I would not put down an HHR. HHR is a very good car. So, if you like this video, hit that like button. Share, subscribe. Any comments for me? Leave me a comment. Any ideas for me to do? Let me know. I just might show up and do it. So until next time, my fellow travelers, I'll see you around the mitten.